everybody, happy Sunday, happy 1st of September. Happy we're going to Memphis Day. Up and out early this morning. We have got a luxury coach to board. The last time that we went to Memphis, we flew from LA, because that's obviously where we were, and that was 3.5, 4 hours as a flight. Yeah. And actually, we thought we would have to fly between Nashville and Memphis, but we didn't really want to. We didn't really want to faff about with airports and all of that again. And this time round, obviously, we've got our checked luggage with us, whereas we didn't last time. So we found a luxury motor coach company called Vonlane. So I'll put a link somewhere for you to down below to have a look at their site. Really reasonable prices, great customer service. All that remains to be seen is what the experience is like. But if the YouTube videos are anything to go by, it's going to be pretty good. So up and at 'em early this morning. Our coach is at 10 o'clock and it departs from the Omni Hotel in Nashville, and that will then take us to, I think, the Hilton Hotel in Memphis, where we can then grab an Uber and jump on over to the guest house at Graceland.
Welcome aboard Vonlane. Thank you for making the journey with us today. We look forward to serving you. The Wi-Fi password is one.
So we've just boarded the Vonlane coach. The driver was absolutely lovely. He boarded our cases before boarding time, so that was good. Everything was really smooth. The coach is so luxurious, and the attendant has been very attentive. So far so good, and big thumbs up for Vonlane. Just had my first snack. It would have been cheeky not to. And we're just leaving Nashville now. So it's been good. We are back in Nashville for one more night and a bit of a day before we fly back. So it's not bye-bye Nashville for good. It's just bye-bye Nashville for now. Yeah?
Swiss one?
Yeah. Cool. I love my bum bag. I didn't know if the pink was going to go with everything, but I'm glad it has. It's just naturally one of my colours. So these seats fully recline, as you would expect. So I'm just going to see how that goes. Ooh, hello. So yes, how fabulous is that? Although I'm not very comfortable, so I'm going to sit all the way back up, I think. But the other aspect that I like is that we've got these footrests. So us little people can get very comfortable. Last night, yesterday about 4:30, we had an email come through telling us that our seats had been changed because the layout of the bus had changed. So the seats that we'd originally chosen had full recline and full leg room, but the layout of the coach moved it to like a table. So there was limited recline and limited space, leg room. But no word of a lie, they had 24/7 chat facility. They changed it for us, no problem whatsoever, and had an email confirmation within 5 minutes. And yeah, so far so good. I'd highly, highly recommend Vonlane based on what we've experienced so far. There's only 3 of us on the coach today, so smooth sailing. Well, you know what I mean. Where did the sunshine go? is my complimentary lunch provided by Vonlane. So we're in Memphis. We're at the Hilton, which is the drop-off and pick-up for Vonlane, and it was a super smooth ride. It was amazing. We had hot towels offered to us, we had blankets offered to us. It did get a little bit chilly, I'm not going to lie. But yes, I'll put the price up on her teeth back in. I will put the price up on the screen. Because I can't quite remember how much we paid. I've got a figure in my head, but I just want to double check that. But yeah, so what a wonderful way to travel within the state. And it was just far cheaper and far easier than going to the airport, checking luggage in, being at the airport, you know, hours beforehand, etc., etc. So yes, all good. So another new experience checked off the list. So we've made it to the guest house. We're in room 109. So a slightly different layout room to what we had before. We had a deluxe king the last time, and we've got the 2 queen this time round. But this, oh, is lovely. Is the water still $6?
It's probably 8 now.
No, it's 6.
Okay.
And there's the aircon. Interesting.
Which one are we having?
Whichever one you want. Yeah.
That one?
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just gives us a bit more room, doesn't it?
Yeah. Let me just turn some lights on.
Yeah, it's not as big as the bed we had last time, but it's bigger than the one we had at home.
Yes. So this is our bathroom. Pretty much the same layout as what we had in our last stay. We've just checked in. We booked via Expedia. We were allowed to check in a couple of hours early, so it's always worth asking. And we just found out that we've got $140 credit, room credit to use, which equates to $20 a day. So that's pretty awesome. And yes, we're here. So it's been a couple of hours since I last vlogged. We went to Walmart. Didn't bother filming. There was just, you've already seen a Walmart visit this week. It was bucketing down again. And we've just been in the room for about an hour or so, just chilling out. And we've just ordered the pink limo for Marlowe's. So there's a limo waiting out there already, but it's not for us. We were just told 6:30. I think we're both a little bit travel weary today. We had the earliest start that we've had since we've been in the States. And yeah, it's nice to be back at the guest house. We're on completely the other side. We're on floor 1 this time. And yeah, it's quite strange. But yes, we're going to go and have some food and then probably crash out for the evening, and we'll see what happens.
Is the other driver still working there? We had 2 years ago. I think his name was David.
That is actually my son.
Oh, is it? He was funny.
Yeah.
If you let him, he'll keep you in stitches. He never shuts up.
No, listen, he was good as gold. Do you know it's funny, because my partner here, she was vlogging the whole trip last time, and we got in the car, and the first words on the video we looked back was, "That limo driver's nuts." I was like,
Every time.
but what a funny guy.
Yeah. Oh, that smell. Goodness me.
No, we can't just because of the light right above it.
As it turns out, the limo driver was sat there waiting for us, so we took a chance, we went out there early, and now we're sat in Marlowe's, just about to order some tasty barbecue.
Are we ready to order?
So there's our food. Rub-a-dub-dub, and thanks for the grill. That looks quite scary.
I'm glad we didn't have the brisket as well.
Oh, me too. Nice though, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. My tummy is very, very full right now. The ribs were stunning. They just came straight off the bone.
Yeah. There was nothing left on the bones.
Nothing left at all. Not gonna lie, I probably shouldn't have had the apple pie, but it was tasty enough. But yes, not bad. Back to the hotel now, and so I'm probably going to close the vlog off here from right outside Marlowe's. Thank you so much for watching. I know it's been a bit of a strange one with it being travel day from Nashville to Memphis. Highly recommend Vonlane, and hit that like, hit that subscribe if this is your vibe, as I keep saying this series. Then please follow along, because we've got so much Elvis stuff this week. I can't even remember what's on the plan for tomorrow, but we'll have a look at that a little bit later. It's Labor Day tomorrow, so I've never been in the US for that before, so it will remain to be seen. But anyway, I'll see you soon.